What's for supper? Homemade potato soup. Oops, don't spill it, me. And I made a whole pot of tomato sauce, or spaghetti sauce basically, from scratch. I can use it on spaghetti, pasta, pizza, you name it. Body parts. Oh, Shirley, you're terrible. Well, I lost the sunshine out there, and I put some WD-40 on a couple of those nuts that I need to remove. They just don't want to go anywhere, so I'm going to try that tomorrow. Maybe. If I can get the blades off, I can try to sharpen them, and then try to reassemble it all. I think it'll work. We'll see, I guess. It's nearly 8 o'clock, as you can see. I'm going to have potato soup. Potato soup is basically the Holy Trinity, which is onion, celery, carrots. I put them in my food processor and ground them up pretty good, and sauteed those in butter, and then took those aside, and I made like mashed potatoes. You know, put the peel and chop up the potatoes, put it in a pan, cook them about 15-20 minutes till they're soft. But I cut them in little pieces so it wouldn't take so long. And you make kind of milky mashed potatoes. You put the vegetables back in, stir it up a bit, make it a little thinner if you want, and put some Parmesan cheese in there. Ooh, it's going to be good. I need to take a shower because I'm full of dirt and rust and stuff. And it'll be good night from me, and I'll show you the kitty in just a second. Till later. Upward and onward.